So, you guys don't know this, but I've been waiting all my life for this moment. For you right there in the white shirt in the front row. I've heard that you have the best smile in the game. They say you practice it on weekends. Good thing, not to embarrass you, but good thing we're all here to focus our intense attention on you. And you up there in the balcony, they say that you have dance moves better than Jagger. He has been known to shut a dance floor down. And to think, a moment ago I was just thinking about my groceries and would have missed out on you, the only ones that matter in this moment. I'm tired of living a life that consistently pushes away my now. It's like I'm in a hurry to miss out on everything that is currently happening to us. When you hear a bird sing, it is informing the morning that there is a song inside of it that must be heard immediately. So real passion is instinctual and will not abide. So if you speak and no one is listening, it could be that you are missing the current moment in your throat, or they're missing theirs in their spirit. Either way, communication then turns to contempt. And like many other things, real passion becomes just for the birds. So pay attention, pay attention, pay attention, y'all. Your life, it misses you.